Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we are talking about what to expect on your favorite Star Life series this January. There's a lot of drama unfolding, and you definitely don't want to miss any of it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button and tap the bell icon so you're notified whenever a new video drops. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. Outro 1st January 2026. As Yuvi tries to uncover Kailash's mysterious bride, Ishwar withholds all details. Meanwhile, Katha distances herself from marriage discussions and focuses on her passion for botany. January 2nd, 2026. Ishwar deliberately misleads Yuvi and his cousins as they search for the bride. Katha then learns Yuvi is the groom when Mohan places Yuvi's photo beside hers. January 3rd, 2026. Yuvi's Haldi ceremony begins, but he quietly plots to sabotage it. Elsewhere, Katha gets emotional remembering her late mother. January 4th, 2026. Yuvi's plan backfires when Natulal, not he, is assigned the Haldi duty. Meanwhile, Katha confronts Mangal for demeaning her. January 5th, 2026. Yuvi mocks Katha in her bridal attire, unaware she is actually his chosen bride. Later, Tammy frames Katha in an exam, making her suspect Yuvi and swear never to forgive him. January 6th, 2026. As Yuvi prepares for the wedding, he ridicules Katha over her exam failure. Heartbroken yet resolute, Katha decides to proceed with the marriage. January 7th, 2026. While Katha commits to honoring the marriage, Yuvi's insistence on a DJ-style entrance, against family customs, creates friction in the household. January 8th, 2026. Katha and Yuvi are stunned to discover they are each other's bride and groom. Both refuse to marry, and Mohan urges Ishwar to find a solution. January 9th, 2026. Tempers flare between Katha and Yuvi as they accuse each other. Katha finally exposes his misdeeds. Rukmini pleads with Yuvi to marry her for the family's sake. January 10th, 2026. Haunted by memories of her mother, Katha braces herself for a marriage born out of pressure. Yuvi agrees to wed her only to make her life miserable. January 11th, 2026. Katha, determined to uphold her family's honor, asks Mohan to perform her Kanyadan. As the rituals begin, Yuvi secretly vows to torment her while elders sense that something is off. January 12th, 2026. Mohan promises to call off the wedding, but Katha refuses. She and Yuvi complete the rituals, and Mohan emotionally performs her Kanyadan. January 13th, 2026. Despite the celebrations, Yuvi and Katha sit apart, lost in their own thoughts. Yuvi becomes startled when Tammy fakes illness to gain his attention. January 14th, 2026. After treating Tammy with a simple home remedy, Katha bids a tearful farewell to her family during her Vidai. January 15th, 2026. Tammy finalizes a foolproof plan against Katha, who remains unaware of her schemes. Meanwhile, Yuvi receives a call from a potential investor. January 16th, 2026. Despite her injury, Katha completes her rituals gracefully, earning the Jindal family's blessings. Later, Ambika lies to her that Yuvi's mother is dead. January 17th, 2026. Katha uses a cabbage poultice instead of Yuvi's ointment for her injured foot. Later, she offers a heartfelt prayer, seeking the strength to face her new responsibilities. January 18th, 2026 UV applies a home remedy to Katha's foot, and Katha assures Aishwar she will stay in the Jindal house and fulfill her duties. January 19th, 2026 Katha opens up to Naina and Prerna about the consequences of Tanmay's schemes. Meanwhile, Yuvi gets angry when she asks about garlanding his mother's photo. January 20th, 2026 Katha is stunned to learn that her mother is alive. Later, Shika confronts Ambika for hiding this truth from her. January 21st, 2026 Yuvi refuses to attend the reception, but Aishwar praises Katha's composure. He remains hopeful that her grace will eventually win UV over. January 22nd, 2026 determined to find UV, Katha searches through his belongings for clues. Elsewhere, Tammy manipulates UV and forces him into drinking alcohol. January 23rd, 2026 UV finally returns during the reception. Later, the family enjoys a musical game where Katha and Yuvi challenge one another through songs. January 24th, 2026 Katha asks Yuvi to accompany her for the Pakfera ritual, but he agrees only on one condition. She must give a speech in English. January 25th, 2026 Katha makes Yuvi promise to complete all post-wedding rituals properly. Afterwards, she asks Charu about the responsibilities of a married woman. January 26th, 2026 Chandrika explains the duties of a daughter-in-law. Later, Katha prepares herbal tea for the family and receives warm praise. January 27th, 2026 UV challenges Katha to complete a dare in exchange for his attendance at the homecoming. Meanwhile, Mohan asks Aishwar about Yuvi's true feelings for her. January 28th, 2026 During the Pakfera visit, Yuvi pretends affection to impress the neighbors, while Mangla mocks their marriage. Later, Yuvi shocks everyone by clearing Mohan's dead. January 29th, 2026 Katha returns part of the money to Yuvi and vows to repay the rest, questioning whether his gesture was kindness or insult. Yuvi catches her as she slips, leading to an unexpected spark. January 30th, 2026 Noticing a food shortage, Yuvi prepares meals from his cafe. Later, Katha tries protecting him from mosquitoes, and they accidentally get trapped together inside the net. January 31st, 2026 Tejas barges in and tries to drag Nana away. Katha stands firm beside her, and Yuvi intervenes, striking Tejas and ordering him to leave. Nana collapses from trauma. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye guys.